Hello everyone. Today we'll be simulating the birthday paradox. So the birthday paradox concerns with the probability that in a room of n randomly selected people, what is the probability that any two of them share the same birthday? So logically, for a 100% probability, we need 366 people. But for a 99.9% probability, we need just 70 people, and for a 50% probability, we need just 23 people. So this is our idea for today. We'll be simulating this paradox in our code. So to start off, we're gonna use the random module, the counter function, and matplotlib. And we'll also have a dictionary res. The keys of this dictionary would be represent the number of people, and the value of the key would be the number of times these many people were needed for two to share the same birthday. If you are a bit confused, just hang around and you'll understand. So now we'll just add every day of the year in our dictionary. I'm sorry. Initially, we'll just keep the counter at 0. Now we'll move on to the main part of the program, another for loop, and this will run the number of times we want to simulate the paradox. So for example, we are gonna do it 1,000 times. Now here we are gonna have a array P and another dictionary D. And now again we'll be using one more loop. And this loop would represent the days of the year. I'm sorry. Yeah. And so now in the array P, we'll just append a random variable between 1 and 367. The number would represent the day of the year on which the person's birthday falls. And then in the dictionary D, we are gonna store the counter. I mean the counter of P. So what this will do, it will count how many times each element of P occurs, and it will return it in the form of a dictionary. So now we'll see if 2 exists in the values of D, that is, does any value gets repeated. And if it does, in the result, we'll just take ln length of P, that is, the number of people that were needed for 2 to have the same birthday, and increment that by 1. And then we'll just break from this loop, but continue in the outer one. And then finally we'll just plot it. We'll be using a bar plot. The x will be res.keys, that is the number of people, and the value, and the y-axis would be the values. And we'll just give it a small title. And then plt.show. Now we'll just execute our program. And you can see most of the cases tend to fall between 0 and 50. That is, less than 50 people were needed for 2 to share the same birthday. So we can say the paradox is true. Thank you.